I'm Brian DeLuca and this is Tech Breakdown, and today we're talking all about FPGAs. But before we do that, make sure you like and follow. So what are FPGAs? Field-Programmable Gate Arrays, or FPGAs, are integrated ICs that can be programmed or reconfigured after manufacturing to perform a wide array of tasks. Unlike traditional ICs with a fixed function, FPGAs offer flexibility, making them ideal for applications requiring custom processing or optimization. Engineers use FPGAs to build digital circuits by programming them to carry out specific operations through hardware description languages like VHDL or Verilog. One of the key advantages of FPGAs is their parallel processing capabilities. This means they can handle operations simultaneously, which is beneficial in applications like signal processing, image and video encoding, and data centers. Because FPGAs are reconfigurable, they are often used in prototyping, or in situations where systems might require change after development. FPGAs are commonly used in industries like telecommunications, automotive, defense, and consumer electronics. Their flexibility makes them essential in accelerating computational tasks, improving system performance, and embedding more efficient hardware design. For more on electronics, make sure you like and follow eDesignIt, and remember to visit eDesignIt.com. And for more videos in electronics, visit eevids.com.